Hey guys, I got a bunch of wafer logs. 10 of them actually. And yeah. I don't know how many we're gonna do, if we can actually open any of them, but we'll try. And this one doesn't have a piece of on the back, so we can actually put this in the vise, which is nice. Now I'm actually wondering if we can have more than one. Which way have we turned that? That way. Is there a third? No, only two without a back piece. Then let's move them up a little bit. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, so we got two with the wafers facing upwards. So let's try these jigglers. This one was the one opening the box, so let's just see. I don't know if these are gonna go both ways actually. I guess they are when they don't have that thing on the back. Not that one. It's more like this. I guess it does go both ways. Don't know if I can tighten that. I'll try and hold it still as well as I can. And I hope that it's not making too much noise. Doesn't seem to work on this one. These two. Try this one without taking it all the way out. Oh, I think that's an open. We leave that a little bit. Try this one. Okay. Yeah, it does turn. So let's lock it. And then we do count this as picked, but we will still keep trying the other jiggler keys, and we will try some picks as well. So the top one is picked. I do remember quite a couple years ago, I got a big bunch of these. I picked a bunch, and then there was a bunch that I had a hard time with, and I'm unsure if this is the ones that I had a hard time with. So, counting that. All right, next jiggler is this one. Okay, that is actually a little bit loose. Get a little further down. Whoops. That was the camera, or the tripod of it. And that's a bit better. Oh, there we go. It opens with this one too. Try this one. Still nothing. Then let's try this one. It's getting loose up there again. This one don't even want to go in. Maybe I just haven't put it all the way in. I don't know. And next up, this one. Oh, I think it's actually this one that opened the box last time. Oh, the bottom one is getting loose as well. Got 5 more to try. This one, I actually think this might open the top one here. From what we have seen. Maybe not. No. Okay. Come on. Get back in. No. This one. I don't think this is coming all the way in. Is it? Maybe? No. It doesn't go all the way in. Good. This one. Oh, there we go. That was easy for that one. Oh, we got that one too. So now both of them is counted as picked. I think I need to adjust them. We still have 2 more keys to try. There we go. I think I got them to stick a little bit more. And we're gonna try this one. And we want to try this one the other way. See if that does anything. Sometimes it does. No, it actually just gets stuck in them. Okay. Last one. This one. Doesn't seem to work either. All right. Let's try to... Where is that one? There we go. Let's try picking them with picks. First, we're gonna try rocking it with the L brake, trying to hold everything still here. And the pig is just getting stuck. I don't think there's enough space in here for both things. This one can't even go in. Wimmery. Okay. Okay. Try this one. Now I can hold it a little bit better, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's not easy. Definitely not easy. Just get stuck in the bottom one with this. Same here, I can't really get in. Yeah, it would be easier if I had all of my tools available, but it's still packed away. Anyway, we did jiggle both of them open, so I'm still gonna count it. And these I find a lot of here and there, so not a problem. But yeah, 2 more picked. Great. 9269 and 9403. And these are the ones missing the back pieces, but the clip is on, so you can't pull them out. Great. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.